Man, I need my glasses. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, we're starting off our morning at the park. Thailand is at the park. We're actually coming from an appointment, so I just stopped for him to have a little fun. Baby's gone to work, so we're just here at the park, and of course he's in his favorite spot, the swing, of course. Thai, hey. Ooh. A big one? A big one? A big Hey, look at you. Look at you go. Look at you go. You're looking at your shadow? Ha. You ready again? Let's go. Whoa, I missed you. Whoa. Whoa. Silly boy. Oh my god, you guys, if my face looks so shiny, speak about tired. Man, I'm so tired. The sun is so hot, I couldn't stay outside for another second. I just had to leave the park and get home. Tyler fell asleep on the way, and here he's just waking up. You wake up, boo? Come. Come. You're still sleeping? Come on, baby. You're still sleeping? You want to go back to sleep and then eat after? Alright, let's go sleep. I'm gonna put him down for a nap, you guys. Hey faves, your girl is in her favorite spot. Yes, the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. And what happened? What happened? What is it? Mama's cooking. Go, I saw me there. Your girl is in the kitchen and I'm making dinner, and I bet you guys couldn't tell me what I'm cooking. I'm cooking something that I am not supposed to be eating, but I feel for it. So since I am my own boss, nobody can tell me what to do, so I am gonna eat it. So I'm cooking it, okay? I am making, in Jamaica we call this ghetto food. Ghetto food or poor people food. You understand? So the minute I say that, all my Jamaicans that are watching, you guys know what I'm cooking. So I'm cooking, no baby, go and put that down. I'm cooking some rice and oh my god, tin mackerel. Yes, yes baby. So I'm making tin mackerel and some white rice. And for those of you who are watching and don't understand what I am talking about, let me explain. What I'm cooking right now, let's just say it's heaven, literally heaven. In this pot over here I have some oil, sweet peppers, hot pepper, of course, and some onions. And I'm just going to make these cook a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull 2 of these. I'm actually using 2. I bring these from Jamaica and I'm about to use them. This is fish, a type of fish, mackerel in coconut sauce, and this brand from Grace is absolutely the best, and it tastes, like I said, like heaven. I'm not supposed to be eating rice, but you can't eat tin mackerel and you don't eat tin mackerel with either some boiled dumplings or some rice. So since I didn't feel for the boiled dumpling, I'm making it with rice. I'm making it the pepper is kicking in. Lord, I'm sorry for my husband tonight. I pray it's not too hot, but I make sure I use just a little bit of pepper. If it's a case where I need to add pepper to mine, I'll add it, but I don't want to make it too hot for him. And then I'm going to still add some black pepper to that. You guys, this combination is so good, so good. Some Jamaicans eat this every single day for dinner. One, because the mackerel used to be cheap. Realize I said used to. I don't know what's the cost of it now. I don't remember how much I paid for this when I was coming up, but it's Jamaica's favorite. Trust me when I say that. And it tastes really good, not only because it's affordable, but it tastes good. And don't ask me if I work out today. No, I did not work out today. I feel guilty about it, but I feel guilty about it, and worse, I'm going to be eating this. But I'll make up for it. I'll bounce back, so don't worry. I just took the fish out of the tin, and this is what it looked like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of cut one into 2 so that can spread nicely. And with this tomato sauce, I don't have to add any ketchup. A lot of people add ketchup to theirs. Oh Lord, this looks good. This looks good. And I'm gonna add some black pepper to this right now. I haven't eaten this thing in years. I had it, of course, when I was in Jamaica, but I had to take home some real Jamaican way. And I'm just going to let this bad boy simmer, honey. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat this. And the best combination is always rice, and baby's going to be happy that I cook rice this evening. And since I'm talking about Jamaican, I'm just going to go ahead and give the Jamaican expression for today is nyam no. If somebody in Jamaica say to you, you nyam no, they're simply saying that you eat a lot. Nyam no. Nof means a lot, nyam means to eat. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. This one won't be too challenging for babe. And of course, when he gets home from work, he'll put his spin on the Jamaican expression for today, honey. Hopefully you guys having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys get your workout in and all that good stuff. I didn't get my workout in today, and I'm being honest, I don't think I'm going to get it in for the rest of the day. It's 6 p.m. now and I'm hungry. I'm going to eat, which means that I won't digest in time for workout and spend time with my family and all that. So no workout today, but let's see if I can get it in tomorrow. It's better late than never, right? And this right here is literally a glimpse of heaven, and I'm ready to dig in, literally. tongue. So my sweet husband is on his way home from work. I'm beating his hat because my hair, I pull out all the things from my hair, and he's on his way home from work late tonight. So I decided to go walk and meet him so he can have some company walking, because the shortway bus he won't get any at this time of the evening, so he's walking a little distance before he reach home. So we're going to meet him, but he doesn't know that we're coming. As usual, I like to just surprise him. Look at him. So Thailand, I just walking to go meet Papa. Papa? We're going to meet Papa. We're going to meet Papa. Papa. Hmm? You guys, I finally met Babe, and something crazy happened. He's trying to surprise me and I'm trying to surprise him. So we both ruined each other's surprise. He's getting me my favorite snack. He's getting me some shrimp from this little truck that I love to have shrimp from. Hey. And when he saw me, he's like, oh, and I was like, oh. So he's there waiting on it. You guys, these are what's left of the shrimp. Babe and I and Tyler killing them. Say bye-bye. Blow them kisses.
Guys, so back home after a long day at work. Like you can see, I like that, like you just saw, Babe. I wanted to surprise her when I just get off the bus. I saw this little pizza truck, and I say, as I pass from it, I say, Babe love the shrimp. It's called like Japanese shrimp. I said she loved that, so I was about to go through, and then I said, no, let's just stop and get her something. So when I was doing that, I just turned and I saw someone coming, so that was a very nice moment. Yeah, back home now. Everything okay. It's very hot today. It's only Tuesday and I wish it's already Friday, so I know the end of the week will be hard.
Hey Phils, you guys see my head like this, so you know it's bedtime. I'm bed ready. You guys, it's that time of the night when we come on to end the vlog to tell you guys that we love you and we appreciate you and we want to kiss you and we want to hug you. And no?
Yeah. I was listening.
You guys are just coming out. We're just coming on to end the vlog. But first, the Jamaican expression for today. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think it is? It's nothing hard. Nyam nof.
Nyam nof.
Yes, you know what nyam nof
Yeah,
means?
you always tell it to Tyler. And you always tell it to me. Nyam nof. So it should be something like you eat too much.
You eat a lot.
You eat a lot.
Yes. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. What's the French word or expression?
Tomber dans les pommes. tomber mean fall, to fall. Dans les mean in the. Pomme, the pomme is apple, so it means to fall in the apples. So the expression when you say tomber dans les pommes is like you're completely knocked down and you are not
unconscious.
Right. You say and you tomber dans les pommes, like, or yeah, like you knock someone and you completely boom.
Knocked out.
Yeah, and so you fall in the apples.
Okay.
Right.
Tomber dans les pommes.
Tomber dans les pommes.
Tomber dans les pommes.
Right, right. So tomber dans les pommes is, well, it's not good. If you see someone tomber dans les pommes, you need to call an emergency.
That one was a good one. All right, you guys. So there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today.
Did you say to fall in the apples in English?
No, I've never heard that one before at all. If you guys have heard that one, comment down below and let us know. But it's the first I'm hearing that one. All right, you guys, we're really tired and it's time for us to get some rest. So we're gonna head off to bed. Of course, Tyler is in dream la la land right now. So we are about to join him. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. By the time you guys see this video, it would have been Friday. So happy Friday and enjoy your weekend. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. No, Monday. Bye guys.